it all unfold because me and my dog starts now.
We'll call it Tire Rack. 40 years later, we're not sitting down. TireRack.com.
Everybody's in. Network time. Me and my dog.
July 3rd, 2024 at 9 am.
Guess what landed?
Huh? Oh. What is it?
The four cats of Kesha are coming this weekend.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Tomorrow is the 4th of July, and we are about to head the world tour.
Oh. Okay. But you gotta get some fireworks in order to have a celebration tomorrow night.
And we are about to buy the fireworks.
Yeah. What's gonna be going on for the weekend while the four cats of Kesha are coming over?
There will be concerts, live tours, and so much more.
Oh, really? Did you inform the rest of the crew about that?
We just informed the rest of the crew about that, the biggest event in the state.
Oh, good. But one of you is gonna be getting the fireworks. Who would?
I would.
Oh, I don't know. You might be acting a little bit of a mischief right there, Leonard.
I could go with Conrad and Tracy.
Deal.
30 minutes later at 10:30 am.
Up to this point, we are so excited about the world tour this weekend. I'm pretty sure Gosha will know about that.
Yeah, I know. Well, what about you? What are you thinking about?
Yeah, but what about that one part when you scared all the Cars movie characters? They could return.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, Leonard has been dealing with them within the last 5 years. Yet, they could return again. Just to take revenge on Leonard. And I suppose I figured out that one way.
When you have to find the Jeep.
Yeah? Me and Leonard are gonna handle this at the end of the day.
Just make sure to execute point. Order 66.
Now, why would I do that?
You're still on the Order 66 thing.
Hey, not my fault. I just had to give Landon instructions.
Very well then.
Alright.
90 minutes later at 12
Leonard?
p.m.
I got some bad news. Remember those Cars movie characters? We scared them off 5 years ago? Unfortunately, they've returned.
What? They've returned.
Yes. You got a word for that? Oh dear, crap bullets. Just shocking. You're terrible, you right?
I don't get it.
What? Leonard, explain.
5 years ago, these Cars movie characters appeared. They were constantly annoying the shit out of me since, so Landon had to solve the problem by saying hello my children, and then all hell breaks loose when he screamed at the top of his fucking lungs.
Really?
Yes.
Sorry. I had to do this for my son. But this time they're not gonna be aggravated.
What about trying the sword to get rid of them?
Cletus? No. That won't work.
Maybe a light gun to scare them off.
We could try.
But
That's what I slam. Oh, that's not nice, fool.
oh, that's not nice to hear.
Has that ever happened to you once?
No.
Good.
2 hours later at 2 p.m.
Somebody chose Sammy,
Look at their social medias,
Groot,
see what their style,
and you too, Conrad and Tracy.
Now,
Unfortunately,
you wanna
we
take a
have
look at
got
the
some
reviews,
problems.
it's sort of worst,
Those
greatest,
Cars
and
movie
greatest and worst.
characters
You wanna look at the
are
bad
back,
and the good.
and they
You wanna
wanted
know everything
and
about
they
the
wanted
shop.
a score to settle with us
With something like
and my
this.
son too.
A build
What
like
the
this is
hell
a
are
big
the
investment,
Cars
so you wanna
movie
make sure it's a
characters?
smart investment.
Well, their
Visit the
names
shop,
I
talk
can
to the
remember
owners,
are
make sure
McQueen,
you click, 'cause
Mater,
with some projects taking
Chick
6
Hicks,
months, some of them take
Red,
1 or 2 years.
the other Red, which is the fire truck,
So make sure that is going to be a good one
and
as
the
well.
King.
Now, pay
Should
structures
I
can
go
vary
on
depending
and
projects, but
continue
most shops are
naming
tied to
them?
material
Holy
or
fucking shit.
deposit-based, where they have a
Yeah.
lump sum, and you
They're
pay
not
it down
happy
every
that we
month.
scared them off 5
So
years
do your
ago in
research,
Mountain Home.
find the right shop to make
And
your
they
dream
wanted
car a reality.
Sorging
Any
vengeance.
questions or comments,
I
hit
know
us up
the
right
things
here
before.
at Motor Week.
Oh, you did, huh?
Let's take
Yes.
the first ramp onto this week's Quick Spin.
Well, cool. What do you think of these guys, Conrad?
These guys are fucking cringe in my opinion.
And despite its success, new EV products
Same.
from the brand were slow to trickle out. We didn't drive
Well,
the new one until
Fabrizio,
last year,
we got an
the
advice for you.
2023 Nissan Aria. And we're back in the saddle to experience
Well,
the Aria
Fabrizio,
now with
can you
features.
help us get rid of these
That's the
things
Aria's
again?
all-wheel
Yes,
drive
I would.
system, and it can
Good.
generate up to 389 horsepower.
Now,
and
what should we do
442
then?
pound-feet of torque, traveling up to a claimed 272 miles.
Well, use your gun for this after you say hello, my children.
The 63
Okay.
kilowatt-hour standard range battery
Because there'll
puts
be
out
no
a
match
little
for
less
you
power
and your
is
son.
good for 205
Good.
miles.
And what do we do now once we're
Are
done?
out of this world, but they are mostly on
And once
par
you're
with
done,
competition.
you might be able to buy some
Of course,
fireworks.
its all-wheel drive
Great
abilities, which
idea.
make it stand out a little more.
Alright, everyone, come along. We gotta go see those useless looking characters.
3 hours later at 5 p.m.
These must be the ones.
Six-cylinder options. The base 296 horsepower P300 and our
Okay,
mild
well,
hybrid
those must the
P400
Cars
with
movie
395
characters.
horsepower
Yep, and they look
406
kind of ugly.
torque.
I guess I better do what should have been done 5 years ago, like I did.
I will be watching you for this.
Yeah, good luck on that, Fabrizio.
Ready.
Ready.
Ready. Bollocks.
And now, hold on a second. I think I know how to do this. Hello, my children. That pretty much worked better than I thought.
Are they gone?
Yep, they're gone. They've met their match.
Good job, guys. You got rid of these bastards again.
Indeed.
Well, Leonard, you yourself a treat. Get in the car. We're going to Pier. Bye.
Pier 88. Oh, that's my favorite place to go.
I didn't know Pier 88 was a fucking thing.
It is a thing.
Okay, well, Pier 88 it is then.
Right. So if you guys aren't back with the fireworks, though, too, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to fire you.
To be continued in the next episode. And now it's time for sign off. Well, guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for today on ATN7, the WB, the CW, UPN, Discovery, and our newest member, City TV Plus. And now, stick around for what's ahead. Thanks for watching me and my dog. But with just 2 original episodes left until the season finale, we will air another one next week. And in the next 2 weeks on the season finale, everything won't be the same anymore. So, for now, we're signing off. Good night.